This is another day and another super effective strategy for making money on binary options. You don't need neither a large amount of money in your account nor a deep understanding of trading to apply it in your trading sessions. And yet, you can make several $1,000s a week with its help. Now you will see it for yourself. All you need is to watch this video carefully until the end. I'm happy to see you again, my friends. This is Evelyn. Last week was especially successful for me. On Thursday, I made a good amount of money on binary options, and I really wanted to share this experience with my subscribers so that you can enjoy high income and financial freedom using modern tools of earning. You can take the first step towards this now. It's easy, fast, and absolutely free. You just need to follow the link in the description of this video and subscribe to my Telegram channel about binary options trading. I have been trading for 6 years, and for the last 3 years, I have focused on binary options because it is the easiest way to earn money, which is suitable even for beginners. In my channel, I talk about strategies, indicators, and explain how to understand the interface of the pocket option platform. But most importantly, I share my practical experience. You can follow my signals, repeat my actions, and replenish your balance with solid sums using my tips. By the way, my current win rate is 86.6%. Rest assured, I know how to make the right decisions. And now I will prove it to you in practice by conducting a live session right in front of your eyes. Let's go straight to the pocket option. Let's start by adding a few currency pairs that we will be trading on. So it will be Australian and Canadian dollar and Japanese yen, and Swiss franc and Japanese yen. This way we will have a constant choice for trading. Well, that's much better. Now let's move on to the choice of indicators. They help in technical analysis of the chart. For today's trading session, I will choose alligator and RSI indicators. In my previous videos, I have already shown how to trade with these indicators separately. So feel free to revisit these videos to refresh your memories. These videos will be very useful for newbies in trading. What do we see? On the first currency pair, we see that the price has approached the support level. Therefore, we can count on the fact that from this level, the price will rise, not a few points upwards. Therefore, let's open a $5 option. Excellent! Here comes the first profit. I made $9. Shall we continue? Pay attention to the second currency pair, Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. Let's put amount of $9 at once. We see a bright downtrend on the chart, and at the moment we see a small correction. The chart has risen a little higher, but the global downtrend continues, so we have a great opportunity to open a lower option. Brilliant! I just started the trading session and already earned $17. Now my deposit has tripled. Let's not waste time and move to the third trading pair. We'll set the amount at $17. What do we see here? The slides of our alligator indicator are directed downward, and the blue line is located on top, which means that a downtrend has been formed. So my choice is the lower option. Well, friends, I was right. Our lower option worked and brought $32 to my account. Repeat after me all my actions. You can also start earning from any amount. Let's go again to the first currency pair. We're going to enter the trade at $33. Okay, we see an upward movement of the chart. At this point, the chart is approaching the resistance level, and also the RSI indicator shows that it's almost touching the overbought level of 70. Which means I'm back on the lower option. Got it! Look at that! We have $63 in our balance. We've increased our starting capital 12 times, but we're not even thinking about stopping. Let's keep the session going. Friends, you can see for yourself how easy it is to make money on binary options with an assistant like me. So I recommend you not to waste time and make a step towards high income and financial freedom. Join my community of successful traders in Telegram. thousands of people are already earning from several hundred to several $1,000s per session just by following my signals. This is the best solution for those who are just starting their journey in trading. I try to explain everything as simply, clearly, and visually as possible. In just a couple of days, you will earn your first money without serious investments and experience. Follow the link in the description, subscribe to the channel in Telegram, and contact me in private messages. In the meantime, let's get back to our live session. Let's go back to the second currency pair. Wow, is there a call option waiting for us here at last? Let's start by placing a call option at $63. Now let's analyze the situation on the chart in detail. The chart has fallen to the support level. The RSI indicator has been in the overbought zone at the level below 30 for some time. All these factors indicate that we need to open a higher option. That's what I call a smart choice of strategy. Meanwhile, I already have $121 on my balance. And of course, we will not stop here because we can earn much more. How are we doing on the next currency pair? So, here we have almost the same situation. RSI is near the 30 level. On the chart we see liquidity accumulation for further upside exit. So I will open higher option. Did you see that? I'm lucky again. I have $233 in my account. Not only me, but the subscribers of my Telegram channel who catch my free signals are making money every day. Every minute that you put off subscribing, you lose money. Hurry up and join my community while it's free. I will leave the link in the description below the video. And we are back to our second trading pair. Here we have a similar situation but with a different outcome. The powerful downtrend will not stop. Both of our indicators are telling us that, so I'm going to risk opening a lower option at $233. We already have $447 on our account. Not bad, but it is possible to earn much more, and we will try to do it right now. Let's move on to the first trading pair. Here we see a flat price, meaning it moves within certain boundaries. Now the price is on the lower boundary, so further the chart will go up to the upper boundary. And you and I will have time to open a higher option. Wow, that was very risky, but luck is on our side today. We've already made $858. Let's move on. Shall we move on to the third currency pair? We'll be entering the trade at $858. Okay, here we see a downtrend on the chart. Right now the chart is approaching the support level, and we can see on the RSI indicator that it's already crossed the oversold level. And that's a great signal for us to take the option. Yes, we did it! We have $1,648 on the balance. Where else could you make over $1,600 in just half an hour? Especially completely legally and online, sitting at home at your laptop. But we're not going to stop, are we? Let's move on to a new trading pair. Here we see a powerful downtrend. That's why it's time to choose the lower option. Yes, we did it again! This is one more addition to our balance. It's now at $2,568. What we have so far, using a trading strategy with two basic indicators, I increased my initial deposit 500 times. Shall we try to increase our deposit by 1,000 times? How do you like this idea? Let's open the first currency pair. With the alligator indicator, we can easily determine that we have an upward movement. And on the chart we see a correction when the price goes down a little bit. This is the perfect opportunity for us to open a $1,000 option. my god, it's plus $1,920 and I already have over $3,000 on my balance. That's what proper chart analysis means. You can achieve anything if you approach trading with knowledge and experience. Let's make another trade. We see a rather interesting situation of a downtrend, which updates its local lows time after time. And now we're once again in this position, when the price is testing another support level with further breakout. Therefore, the correct choice is to sell, that is, lower option. And that's the right decision, baby. Here is profit again. The balance is $4,408. I propose to make one more trade and move on to the final calculation. Let's move on. Let's look at another trading pair. Here we see a rather powerful resistance level. And the global trend is downward, as the alligator indicator shows us. The slides are directed downwards and the blue line is located on top. Therefore, we can open the lower option. Fantastic! Wow, it was really exciting. Using proper chart analysis, I was able to make $5,328 today. And that's a great end to the session. My friends, I hope the earning strategy I showed you today will be useful for you and help you make good money, even with a minimum balance. Believe me, I only give you proven strategies. Here are feedbacks of just some of my subscribers who started trading with my signals and now are happy that their income has increased many times over. You can do the same if you join my community in Telegram at the link in the description. Look for more strategies and live sessions in other videos on my blog. The links are on your screens. I'm also happy to answer any questions you may have. Write them in the comments to this video. Maybe I'll record a separate video on some of them. And of course, be sure to give this video a like. It inspires me to create more content. And yes, spending your hard-earned money is just as rewarding as receiving it. That's what I'm going to do now. I'll see you soon. Bye.